Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a physical SIM card here at the iPhone 17. Okay, first of all we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and at the bottom of the box you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it, and otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. By the way, I'm having here the Pro Max model to show it better because it's enlarged, but it's almost the same at the 17. Okay, let's start now. If you're having your phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter the hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. If you're looking for the SIM tray and cannot find it, then you may having the US version, because at the US version you don't have a SIM tray. It's only available with the eSIM profile, and yeah, then you have to ask your provider for the eSIM profile. Okay, if you're having a SIM tray, great, then you're right at this video. I want to show you here how to insert a physical SIM card, and let's start with that. Place it like this here so that the contacts are on top. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just enter the SIM card, also the SIM tray, back into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.